Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about computer lab. This is our computer lab. A computer lab is a room or a space equipped with computers. Let's get started. When you go to computer lab, you should follow some rules. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind. Number 1. Ask your teacher to turn on the computer. Number 2. Handle the computer gently. Number 3. Don't eat and drink in the computer lab. Number 4. Don't touch the power cables. That's it for today's video. Remember to follow the do's and don'ts of a computer lab. Thanks for watching.